Hello, and welcome to the first episode in a mini-series I'm starting called Minecraft Server Setup and Mods. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just had to set up a server, and install some mods. The first thing you want to do to set up a server is just make a folder where you want to put the files. I already have one made. Just call it MC Server. Here's my old server. There's a lot of stuff in there. And next thing you want to do is go to minecraft.net, and over here on the right is a download button. And it doesn't actually download the thing, it brings you here. And what you want to do is, if you're on Windows, get the Minecraft server.exe. Excuse me. And if you're on a Mac or Linux, get the Minecraft server.jar, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to download that. So ask me if I want to keep it. Yes, I do. Okay. Now, I'm going to take that jar file and just drag it over to the folder I made. And there's Minecraft server.jar. Now what I want to do is go into the utilities folder and open up terminal. I already have it open here. And on a Mac, you start out in your user folder. And I have the folder in my user folder. If you're not sure where it is, just go to it in Finder, type CD, spacebar, in the terminal, and then over here, just click and drag on this little folder icon, and just drop it right into terminal, and hit enter. And now I'm in that folder in terminal, and what you do is take this command right here that it tells you to use. There's a period in there. I don't want the period. Let's see, there we go. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to use terminal's vi command. You can use TextEdit or something. And I'll just paste this in here. And save the file. Nope. Sorry. And you want to name this something. I just call it start. And you want to have a .sh file extension on it. Because that indicates that it's a script that terminal can run. Now if I go to the folder and find it, here it is, you can see that I've made start.sh. And there it is. Now what I want to do is go into terminal, and I'll put this command in the description, but it's chmod 755 start.sh. Whoops. Okay, and this should work. Now if I look at it, start.sh, there's a little X next to the first one. That means that I can run it as a file, or as a program, and not as a regular file, just by typing /start.sh. And now what's going to happen is the Minecraft server is going to start. Just a second. I'll cut here. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Now, you can see that, if I make this window pretty big, oh, there we go, it said that it can't load some files, so it created them, and it's actually generating a world. And, yep, can't find the spawn biome, that's not important. And here's all of the world generation stuff, and it says it's done, so that's good. Now, to get a list of the commands you can use in the Minecraft console, which is pretty much like a built-in admin system, you just type help, hit enter, and it tells you all the commands you can use. Now the first thing I'd like to do is set myself as an operator. So it's basically just an in-game admin. And do that by typing op, and then your username, arcs, op arcs1, op arcs2, whoop, op space arcs2. And now my accounts are operators. So now that that's all done, I'm going to type stop to stop the server. Okay. I'm going to go back in here, and you can see there's a whole bunch of files in here. First thing I want to do is delete world. Okay. And then I'm going to go into the server.properties thing, just open and text edit. And wait for it to load. There we go. And here's the properties thing, and you can just change this to whatever you want. But level name, I'm going to put that as YouTube World. And then I do want people to access the nether. View distance, just leave that at 10 and it's fine. Do want monsters to spawn. The online mode, if it's set to true, it'll require an internet connection to be able to play. So I'm going to set it to false just so I can play it if I don't have an internet connection. Difficulty, 0 is peaceful, all the way up to 3, which is hard. I'm going to set it to normal. And the game mode, 0 is survival, 1 is creative. I'm going to set to creative. I can always change that later. Spawn animals, yes. Max player is 20, that doesn't really matter. And server IP, I'm going to set this as 127.0.0.1. And that just means that it's a server running on my computer here. PvP, that's just whether or not players can do damage to other players. It's no, false. Level seed, I like Flatland for tutorials because it is actually pretty flat. Allow flight, I do want people to fly if they want to. Whitelist, no, that just means if it's false, it'll ignore the whitelist. If it's true, then this whitelist.txt thing here, you can put in a list of players, and only those players are going to be able to access the server. I don't really want that, so I'm going to leave that to false. And here's the message of the day. I'm going to set that to root arcs. And if you want an exclamation point in there, put a backslash before it. Very important. Okay, and I can save that, close text edit, go back to terminal, and I can type /start.sh, and it'll start the server. There we go, it's spawning a new world. And while it's going, I'm going to open Minecraft, so it's ready to open. There we go. I thought a black screen for a minute. That would have been terrible. Okay, that's weird. So, this is taking a lot longer to load than it normally does. Okay, so I'm going to press multiplayer. This is not loading well. Sorry for all the lag. And the server address is 127.0.0.1. And press done. And now YouTube server, it's trying to connect. See how the server's doing here. And yep, it's working. Oh, right. Since I have two servers that are the same IP address, only one of them can connect at once. So I'm going to let this one connect and double click on that. And it's connecting to the server, logging in. Wait for it. Almost there. Almost there. Any day now. We have sheep. Houston, we have sheep. This is a great sign. We spawned in the normal area, spawned in Flatland. There's a cave there now. Now this is lagging tremendously because I have screen recording and a Minecraft server running. So I'm not going to do very much moving around. But this is the general server, what it looks like. There's the sun, there's clouds, so just everything in regular Minecraft. Only I have the server set. I have the server set to create, and you access the server commands by pressing your chat button, and it's usually T, and it brings up a tiny little window. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a greater than sign and text entry box. And there's various commands you can type. To get the full list, type help, hit enter. Oop, sorry, as a server you have to type /help, or else it'll be broadcasted as a message to all the players, and they can see what you're typing. And that can or cannot be good. And if, here's the commands. And yeah, so you can set whether or not you're in creative or survival. Let me do that. What you do is type /game mode, and then you type in the username of the player you want to change the mode of. So arcs, and then 0 is survival, 1 is creative. I'm currently in creative, so it says let's set it to survival. Hit enter. And you can see I've gained food and health bar. And we can undo that by typing game mode arcs 1, which is creative. And now I'm in creative mode. And that's the game mode command. Another very useful command is the time command, which allows you to change whether it's daytime, nighttime, or even when it is in the day or night. And you do that by typing /time and space, or not time, space, set, space, and then a number. 0 is the start of the day, and 24,000 is the end of the day, which is basically 0. And 12,000 is right in the middle. So I'm going to set this to nighttime, say 18,000. And boom, it's nighttime. And monsters will spawn, and it's just standard nighttime. And so I don't really like that, so I'm going to type time set. Whoop, that is not set. That's you. Yeah. No, not time set. Time set. There we go. And I like 1400 for daytime, just because it's not the early morning sunrise, and it's not really midday either. And you can see there's a sheep there. And now it is sunrise-ish, kind of. And that is how you set up a server. Another thing to note is you can give yourself items, much like Too Many Items, by typing /give, and then the player name you want to give the item to, so arcs, and then you type in the value, or the data type, or the item ID of the item you want to give to the person. Let's go with obsidian. It's number 49. And now it pops a stack of obsidian in front of me. Not a stack, just one block, since it's creative mode. In survival, it should give you a full stack. And now it's obsidian. I can place it. Oh, this is lagging so much right now. There we go, obsidian. And yeah, it's just standard obsidian, it's blast proof and everything. So that is commands. Another one is the op command, which just ops people. Oh, that cow is glitching out over there. And there's the deop command, which is DEOP, and that removes op status from a player. And you can also ban people by typing ban in the player name. And you can kick people from the server temporarily by typing kick in the player name. So yeah, a nice little obsidian fortress here. Not really a fortress, just obsidian thing. So that is server commands. I'm going to type stop to stop the server. Oh, I always do that. It needs to be /stop. And you can also chat to people by typing something without the slash in front of it. And there we go, connection lost, end of stream. That basically means the server shut down and you weren't told about it. You weren't told about it. And yeah. So I'm going to close this because the background causes tremendous lag in my computer. And if we go over to terminal, come on. Oh, there's terminal. You can see that server has indeed stopped. So yeah, that's the basic server commands, how to set it up and all that. In the next episode, I'll be showing you how to install mods. Hooray! I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.